What a segue.
What?
Oh.
I can tell you right now, I know this actor, and he's a normal-sized guy. So
This is a movie about a little person who is very well off, and they're trying to find themselves. He's actually 5'7", and in the movie, he's 4'8". The effects in this movie are so flawless, it hurts my brain.
That's a full-on camera move. It was tracking backwards and also panning to the right.
Yeah.
is this like Lord of the Rings stuff, where there's just...
No.
Because it's easy enough to do a camera move and have, you know, regular-sized people and small-sized people. They did that in Lord of the Rings. We broke that down in a previous episode. But they're holding hands here. That's what's blowing my mind.
I am very confused.
Doesn't this hurt your head, dude?
It does.
Let me break this down for you guys. So every shot in this movie, which had this actor shrunken down to 4'8", they had to shoot 5 takes for 1 take. And they pieced everything together in post. When we did Boston Dynamics, that was probably like a 5, 6, maybe 7-step process. This is a 28-step process to get this guy to look like a little person. So the first take that they did was just the actors walking together with the floor removed. All of their sets were kind of like Legos, so all the floors could be moved around and taken out. So he's sunken down, and he's holding hands. They're holding hands. They're both in the shot, but they're still holding hands.
So the hand-holding is real.
The hand-holding is real.
Oh, okay.
The next take they do, that actor on the right doing his motion with no people in the background, no extras, holding his hand out without the main actor. The next take is a clean plate, no extras, just the background. Then they do another take, extras only. And then the final take is the main actor holding an invisible hand. It's just him, no extras, walking down, holding his hand out. Because, speaking of arm-sized gaps, when you're painting something out and you have a hand-sized hole that you need to replace, you need that information. So the actor by himself is the information that you would need to shrink him down and fill in the gaps with.
But that doesn't make sense though. Like what? But how is he like? It's not just him being shorter. He's like scaled. Like,
yeah, no, exactly.
He's smaller and thinner. So what take are they using for that?
I think they're using all the takes and different pieces of it. So it's like they're able to merge different parts of each take together.
Yes.
That's what it seems like to me. This has to be a motion control system, right?
Yes. They had some pretty intense technology to shoot this movie.
Because if that was the case, then that crazy camera move they do at the end isn't all that crazy. Because it's repeatable.
So I guess that body double is like the reference.
Yeah, look at that. Okay. The very next shot after this, where it's just like kind of a medium shot on both of them.
They still shrink him. They still shrink him. Like his shoulders aren't as wide.
Yeah.
His shoulders.
Yeah.
There's less distance between his shoulders.
See, that's the thing. If it was just lower, it would look janky.
Yeah, it would, exactly.
He is
I see what you're saying.
Like this is some tricky compositing.
Yo, you guys really want to see something nuts? Look at this. Dude, that hurts my head. Like, she's interacting with him. I am still having trouble wrapping my head around this.
I see the elements here, but I can't tell how they're piecing them together still. How do they look so naturally locked and synced together?
I don't know. If you guys have any insight on some zero visual effects besides the one behind the scenes video on the internet, please leave a comment below. Let us know how this is done. We gotta crack the case on this one, man. This one is intense.
A lot of guys.
What you gonna do
when they come for you?
When they come for you. Oh, watch out, we're good though, because we got this guy.
Oh. Dude, he's just chilling so hard.
Look at that track, look at that janky track, dude.
Oh my God.
You can see like the edge matte feather on the side.
They're all superheroes.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, 2 BBs? Oh, explosion bombs.
Yo, fire BBs. He's like, oh, I got a car coming at me. No problem. Boom. Just gonna stop it.
that side stuff. Like...
All right, so this is Ambala 2015. One of my favorite Bollywood action scenes here. Let's go back to that Jeep jump.
This one actually, for once, looked like it wasn't done in the original shot.
Oh, dude, so this is like Photoshop.
Yes, nephew Photoshop effects.
Because the perspective doesn't change
look at
as it
that,
goes
yeah.
from frame right to frame left.
But they did put a reflection on the van.
Yeah.
Like, I was about to say wire work for this stuff, but now I'm watching it, it's like, oh, wow.
But stay tuned because the very
Oh my
next
God.
shot, the very next shot is the wirework stuff.
Okay, that's definitely at least a wire shot because the perspective of the car is changing.
Yeah.
I feel bad for the stuntman on the Jeep in that shot. Look at that impact. He's just like, crunch. And the snapshot freeze frames are honestly the best part about this, and I can tell you how they did them. So they took the camera from 3 different angles, and the on-set still photographer was like, all right, photo shoot time. Dude, those Matrix bullets.
Those are actual, wait,
Never been touched by a human hand, like perfectly pristine. So this is probably a VFX shot because they're rotoing out the ramps the cars are hitting.
Like, it's a real explosion, but then the,
looks like the base of the explosion is fake.
yeah.
Because I think they're like reworking it to paint out the ramps.
Was he winking at the camera or the ladies?
The ladies.
The ladies.
I mean, you can see the ladies in his glasses.
Oh, you're right. You literally see the ladies in the reflection of his...
And the
Wait.
reflection is actually tracked onto his glasses.
That's visual effects. We just discovered a hidden secret visual effects shot.
Yeah,
Look.
you see how the people are moving
You're
with his
right.
glasses
Yeah.
as opposed to like...
I was asking that question as a joke, but you're totally right. They literally tracked the ladies into the reflection. But
See, they should be in one spot and his glasses reveal them. And then when he moves away, they stay in place as it wipes away. But in the shot here, the ladies actually move with his glasses.
It's like he has bifocals.
that means he has eyes only for these ladies. No matter where he looks,
yes,
It's
yes,
ladies.
Yes, I had no idea until just now.
I think it's a detail of the shot that no one noticed.
Ambala.
Ambala, bravo,
Yes.
bravo.
If you guys have any sort of Bollywood scenes that feature a dude cooler than this,